All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, and using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Well, today we're going to be talking about Saitama cryptocurrency. What's going on with them? This could be a ding, ding, ding good discount buy when I go over the numbers with you. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, do a little deep dive of what's going on with Saitama. Also, we're going to go to an article. This one's a tough one to buy into. We're going to go to an article that Bitcoin will be worth $1 million in 2025. I don't know about that. I mean, that's just a lot. But okay, but anyways, we're going to go to the article and check it out. And I want everybody to give us your opinions on it. I got some strategies on this article. And then the last thing, we're going to go to one of those crypto projects just launched today, Fish Farm, and it's one of those 8% 6-in-1 miners where you compound for 6 days and you actually claim for 1 day. It just launched today. A lot of times people want to get it. They don't want to get it a month later or 2 months later, so it did launch today. I'm going to actually go over that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. We're in our Browns thing today. Feel bad for Baker Mayfield. Browns' favorite team, but oh well, no big deal. Let's head over to Saitama. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Saitama, if we take a look here, is at number 2912. But ding, 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 discount buy time if you like this cryptocurrency. It's down a quarter. It's down 26% in the last 7 days. If this is one of the coins on your radar, you're definitely liking it. If you own this coin, this could be a time to cost average, get some more of the cryptocurrency at a lower price. For the today, it's only down 1.46%. But for the week, it has dropped 26%. Now, there's some good things coming on with Saitama, so we're going to go ahead and check everything out. Clicking it. All right, over to the right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros right there, and a 73.42. We'll come back with the price prediction when we're done, down 1.4%. It's not the day that's the big thing, it's the 7 days. So let's look at the 7 days. Yeah, right here. This is the 24% drop. Dropping it off the top. And then it kind of works its way back up, and it barely found it. But from here to here, I mean, it's down 24%. Ding, ding, ding. Discount by heaven for everybody. If you're into this cryptocurrency, checking out their Twitter account. All right, OKX listed on Saitama. Start trading Saitama in OKX and onboard the rocket. Woo! Okay, welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform that promotes global finance, well-being by this is a big thing, by empowering the youth to be in control of their money and their life. So they have a mission. They're going after the youth. They want to try to teach the youth about finances. Let's check some more things out here. Big thing right here. Look at that. Yeah, we got some good action figures here. The WAGMI Games is here. It says right here, the token will go live on Saitama Mass tomorrow, which is actually today, because this was the 14th, so it's live today. Learn more about the game. So we got the Saitama game listed live April 14th, so you can go check it out today. Pretty good news. Hotcoin Global, new listing. Hotcoin Global lists Saitama. So yep, that's a big thing. Hotcoin has listed Saitama. Now, what do we always say about platforms? When you get a coin listed on their platform, what's going to happen is everybody who's on that platform is going to get like a text message or a thing that says, new coin listed, new coin, and that whole platform is like, oh, I better gobble it up. So this is fantastic news for Saitama. I know the coin is down right this second, but when you look at all the different things that it's got going for itself, I mean, I've been covering this coin now for about 6 months. This is a fantastic cryptocurrency. All right, I want to go over here, check out our tutorial on how to swap on Saitama Mass, and happy swapping. So here we go. So they had some issues a month or so. I think they worked it all out. Let's check this out. This is big. Select the token you want to swap and enter the amount. All right. So what do they say? They're going to pick Ethereum. And they're swapping Ethereum to buy some Saitama. 0.05. button to swap. The PIN number is a little safety thing. Alright, so they enter it. The swap is going, so they're taking Ethereum and they're swapping it to become Satama. You can check the status of your swap. The swap transaction is processed and it's successful. Fantastic, everybody. Remember, you can swap ETH for Satama and vice versa for other tokens, and the only pair is Satama. You need to save some ETH to pay the gas fees regardless of the token swap. Always leave a few dollars of stuff for your gas fees of everything. Happy swapping, Wolfpack. Boom! Download the Satama Mask and join the Changing the Future of Finance. So a little tutorial right there. We're going to come back to Satama here in a little bit, but a lot of good things going on. I know the coin is down 24%, 25%. Ding, ding, ding. That's why this could be a good discount buy. But the swapping feature, that's pretty cool. I do the swapping on PancakeSwap a lot and Trader Joe a lot with the AVAX and stuff. It's not that hard after you've done it a few times. So if you have swap, the Satama Mask should be pretty easy. All right. Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million a coin by the year 2025. So here's the thing. That would mean if you had a Bitcoin, if you had one Bitcoin right now, you'd be a millionaire in 3 years. If it happened. Again, if it happened, this is what the article says. My information is for educational purposes only. I'm not saying it's going to $1 million. This is what the article's saying. All right, let's head over and check this one out. I'm having a hard time with this one, but I want to bring it to the viewers. All right, then in the middle of the screen, Bitcoin will eventually hit $1 million a coin. CoinDesk editor predicts. Investors' interest in cryptocurrency spikes. Bitcoin could rise to $1 million a coin over the next 5 years, one expert predicted. The only thing is they're saying 2025, that's in 3 years. But either way, Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million a coin. CoinDesk editor said, I actually believe it will at some point, and the scarcity aspect alone will make it an incredible asset to hold. Bitcoin is uncontested. The timing of Bitcoin crossing $1 million is a big question. Lee says the next Bitcoin halving, now this is where they cut the rewards in half, for the miners that are mining the coin. A key technical event when the amount of Bitcoin awarded to the miners is cut in half, right there. This takes place in the year 2024, so it's about 2 years from now. And this will likely trigger a massive price surge. The year after the halving created a huge rise. The last halving right here was in 2020, and so far we have seen prices explode. I don't know when Bitcoin will cross $1 million, but it will be likely after 2025. It also talks about Bitcoin's market cap is currently more than $1 trillion, about double where it was at the start of the year. So there's double the market cap opposed to the beginning of the year. All right, let's check this out real quick because I just wanted you to hear what this guy has to say here. All right, let's check it out. Here we go.
It's definitely an interesting one, and to a traditional financial person like Berkshire Hathaway people, I can understand why it's so scary.
When you take a look at Ethereum, Ether versus Bitcoin, what's the better bet, do you think, for the long run?
Oh, that's a good question. Long term, I think with the halving coming up in 2024 and the year after, that always seems to do very, very well for Bitcoin. I think estimations of Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin, I actually believe that it will at some stage with just the scarcity aspect alone. It makes it an incredibly exciting asset to hold. Ethereum, though, brings in this other element of utility that we just don't have with Bitcoin. We have the emergence of NFTs. We have this decentralized finance space. It's really difficult to say how far Ethereum could go. There's a lot of competition now in the space for these decentralized applications, so they may eat into Ethereum's lunch, whereas Bitcoin is kind of uncontested.
Charlie, Ollie, I realize you just said Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin. Today it's $54,495. I know the people watching, their ears perked up. Can't time them.
So did you hear that? This guy says it's going to go to $1 million. I don't know. I mean, it's hard to, I mean, I know the halving coming up and stuff like that. So again, I just wanted to bring this to everybody. All right, give us your thoughts on the bottom. Will Bitcoin go to $1 million in the next 3 to 5 years? If it does, here's the strategy. So I think Bitcoin is at 40,000 right now. Let's go take a look real quick. Let's take a look and see where it's at before I actually say this. All right, so Bitcoin right here is at 40,000. All right, so Bitcoin's 40,000. So what this would mean is, I mean, people have stocks, people have bonds, this and that. So let's just talk about this. If this happened, that 40,000 is going to turn into $1 million. That's what that guy's saying. That's not what I'm saying. That's what that guy's saying. Okay, so that means your $40,000 in your checking account, in AMC stock, in Ford stock, whatever you got. If you feel like moving it over to Bitcoin, like, let's sell $10,000 of Ford, put it over here, or whatever the stock is. It doesn't matter. There's all these stocks. I'm just giving examples. The point is, if it really happened, you'd all be millionaires in 3 to 5 years. I'm not saying that's going to happen, it's going to go to $1 million, but using that theory, if it did go to $1 million, that means you'd have one coin that you bought for 40, or maybe you bought it, maybe you already have 20,000 of Bitcoin. I don't know what the story is, but the point is it could happen. So do your homework, check it out. Bitcoin is the granddaddy of them all. I think it is going to keep going up. What if it just went up to 500,000? Would your $40,000 investment be pretty nice? It went over 12 or 13x? I think it would. All right, so with that being said, on this channel, we like to bring different crypto projects. We're going to bring you a new one today, and it's called Fish Farm. Yep, it's 8%. It's one of those 6-in-1 miners that you compound for 6 days and you claim for 1. Let's check it out. Launch today. All right, we're over here at the fishfarm.money. Hired to fish for you and earn 8% a day. So what is it saying here? There's 1,296 investors in right now. The fishers hired is 1,772. There's about 4,000 AVAX in the contract balance. Over to the right here, your APR is 2920. There's a dev tax of 3%, and your daily ROI, yeah, you guessed it, that 8%. Okay, so hiring fish, what you would do is you would come here and you would put 1 AVAX and you hit hire. I actually did 2 AVAX today. So I bought 2 AVAX, or I put 2 AVAX in, and it basically got me started, basically. I have, what do I have right here? I have fishing powers 180. So over to the right here, your rewards. I actually just hydrated a little bit ago. But you know what? I'll show you guys how to do this anyways. 65% chance. So let's go ahead and rehire. I only have this much in there, but we're going to put it back in. Let's rehire. Put this back in. I mean, this is how easy it is. Boom. You rehire. Now that 0.006, I did it about an hour ago. I should have waited. But I'm just showing you the house. Boom. Look at how simple that is. Now they took that money, they put it back into the contract, and now all of a sudden I already got a 0.0001. And it says your hired is complete right there. You have hired more fishers. Fisher powers has increased. So my Fisher power right here is now 180. So pretty awesome here. So let's go down here. There are now in excess of more than 3,000 AVAX in the contract balance only after 2 hours. Let's keep fishing. Check out the new baked beans fork launching in less than an hour, which is right here, which is what I'm talking about. We are now live, so they went live and people are fishing. The fishing season is coming. Get ready to hire fishers. We're setting the sail in 1 hour from now. So all right, so back over here at the fishfarm.money. So this is a cryptocurrency project. Again, do all your own homework. This is just for educational purposes only. These are a few things that I'm doing. Just to let you know, like over here, I'm also doing Spook Beans, and Spook Beans is going off the charts. It's one of my favorite ones. Just got into it a couple days ago. Right now I got 9 phantoms to spook. I mean, look how much is in this contract. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's head back over to Saitama for a price prediction and check everything out. All right, the Saitama website, fostering the future of finance. Welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages, cultures, and the control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. Saitama token is our medium. It was built on an Ethereum blockchain. This makes it safe to invest and beneficiary to hold. Here's their mission statement: to educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. Although digital currency has been around for over decades, we're still at the early stages of monetary revolution that will reorganize our society, redistributing wealth and giving anyone the chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join, so the people that are going to be awesome at this aren't even in yet. Nice mission, Saitama. But for the global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need to not only overcome technology hurdles, but simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content that make people comfortable with money while investing, opening unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. So, pretty good stuff. What's our price prediction? My price prediction is check the coin out. It's down 24%. I think it's going to go down a little bit more here. Oh, look at that. It started off at 24%. It's actually 26% now. I think the coin's going to go down a little bit. So maybe it is a good discount buy. But be careful when it starts bouncing back up. But it is a good discount buy right now, being down 26%. Saitama has a lot of things going on right now. All right, everybody. Good couple subjects here. Fish farm, make 8% a day. Compound for 6 days. Hydrate. Compound for 6 days and claim for 1. Pretty good crypto project. Don't forget to hit the like button. Take your finger out and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. That's important. Bitcoin going to $1 million in 3 to 5 years. I don't know. Give me your thoughts. But if it does, holy cow, you're hearing it now, and in 3 to 5 years, I mean, where are you going to be at? I don't know. Also, Saitama is doing a lot of good stuff with the youth, trying to help educate. Could be a good discount buy. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about Drip Network and My Diamond Team's V2. 1% a day for Drip and 1.5% a day for V2, My Diamond Team. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in on a Friday. You have a fantastic day, and we'll see you tomorrow.